Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afna, and today we're going to learn about data handling. So, what is data handling? Let's say you're an employee of Amazon, and someone says, "Okay, I want some boots," and then they add it to their cart. Okay, using their uh, credit card, and then I get the boots, put it in the box, and then I go in the truck and put the box in the Amazon truck. I drive to their home and then pick the box up, okay? And then I go up the stairs of their house and then drop it off to their door, in front of their door. And then I ring the doorbell before that, and then I just walk away. And then I go in my Amazon truck, and then what I do is just I'll go back to my Amazon store, and then they just see the delivery. This is called data handling. Let's say I write, okay, enter your name. I say Avner, okay? And then let's say I now run the code again and write, okay, what is your name? And then I write someone else like Sam. So if I did not save it, would the first name be saved? It wouldn't be saved. So how do we save this name? How do we save the first name and also the second name if we have more names in entering too? Like think of a real life situation if that happened. Or you can compare it to Python. But today we're using something called Replit. Replit has like Python. I put it as Python, but Replit is a different type of software. You can also use it as Python too. You can write here print after, or you can write a function here. So today we're going to do a function with calculator using data handling. Okay? And it's a function. So define sorry. And then I want to make a file. So if you see here, I can put the plus sign, and then I press here, click here, and then I write a new file. And then I write whatever my name is .txt. So calc dot txt. And then it calc already exists. We can write here then calculator txt. Oh, it already exists. So then we can write here data.txt. Oh, data doesn't work. Okay, then I write Avner CLAC. Okay. And then I define my function, define calc, and then what I can do is a comma b. Okay, and then let's say, and then what I would do is this. So what I would do is now add equals to a plus b. Oh, enter. Now we can copy the, control Z, control C, control V. This is subtraction. And if it's subtraction, okay, we do here a minus b, control V, then this will be multiplication, so mul. Let's put here the star because it is. Control V. Okay, now we can put here division, and the slash now. Division sign usually. That's what we use. Then you can't forget, this is where things get big if you put big numbers. Exponent A, and then powered by B. So 2 starts for that. And then remainder equals. So we have 7 arithmetic operators, right? So we're using all of those operators. So let's count 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. And then our last one is quotient, which is 8 slash b. Okay? Enter. Now we have, yes, all the arithmetic operators. Now what I'll now do is file equals to open, and then I write here what was my file. So now it's not main.py, it is Avner's calc. Don't get confused. So Avner's calc .txt. You can't forget that. So Avner's calc.txt, comma a. Okay, comma a. And then what we do is file dot write. And now what I do is the string formatting, addition of a and b is add, and slash n to do new line. Because if we don't do that, what would happen? It would like combine add to add and the subtraction. So it's going to be confusing. So that's why we're doing slash n, new line. Now we can just copy that and copy this code. Okay, file dot write, then this will be subtraction, and okay, it's here, sub, and then control V. Now you can write as multiplication of a and b is small. Okay, control V, and now division of a and b is div, because that's our variable. And then next one is exponent of a and b is ex, which represents for exponent, and then exponent remainder is rem, and then quotient, oh, I forgot. This is not supposed to be there. And then oh, remainder, where's my remainder? Yes. There's okay. Remainder. Now we did our file dot write. Now what we have to do, because now it's a and b, we need to write the thing. A equals to int, bracket input, bracket quotation marks, enter your number. Enter your number, and then b equals to same thing. Okay, now we can change this into your first number, enter your second number, and then we call the function. So here's our calculator a comma b, so control C and now control V, Now we need to do, so what's our main function and our main program? So let's get this out. Okay. So our main function is this, so is up to there, is from line to 1 to 2, and then we write main fun oh main function, and then this is our main. Oh guys, up, and then here is our main program. So main program and main program. Okay, so up to here is our main program, and here is our, and up to here is our main function. Now guys, we can now watch live. So if we go to our file after calc.txt, and then we run it. Let's write here 2, 3, and let's write here 2, and as you can see, just prints everything here. Addition of 3 and 2 is 5, subtraction of 3 and 2 is 1, multiplication is 6, and then division is 1.5. And then exponent is 9, because 3 power 2, 3 squared is 9, then remainder is 1, quotient is 1. They're the same thing, okay? The remainder is 1 and quotient is 1. So now we can watch live, and we can just enter any number and then we can watch live. 56. Maybe that's too big for exponent. 2. So 2 by the power of 10 is 1024. Yeah, I told you guys, 1024. Okay? And now, now we can just what is it? Delete this one. Oh yeah. So now as you can guys see, we can just, now you can see your addition of all of these and subtraction all the operators. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about data handling and how do you do it using function, using all of these operations, using like calculator, how to do this whole big thing. Yeah, there's another way of doing it, but it's too big. This is the easiest way. You can define one function, make the file equals to open, and then whatever, then file dot write, and then how many operations you have, then write your main program. It's simple, and don't forget to write your 7 arithmetic operators and define the function. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe.